Hello friends, welcome to House of Apps English. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how can you reset your SBI Net Banking password if you don't remember it. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, before guiding you through all the steps, let me tell you one thing that I'm showing this process on my laptop. But if you don't have a laptop or PC, you can follow the same steps on your mobile phone. So whichever device you're using, all you have to do is just simply open any particular browser and search for SBI Net Banking. You have to select the first link, and in personal banking, you have to select login option. Now, once you are on login page, it will ask you to enter username, password, captcha, and then you can complete the login process. But as I said, if you don't remember your password, then all you have to do is select forgot password option over here and go to the next page. On this page, it will give you two options. One is debit card and another one is branch activation. So if you have debit card with you, you can use debit card details in order to reset your password. But if you don't have debit card, then you have to go to branch, and over there you can get help, and basically you can reset your net banking password. For now, I'm going to select debit card option. As soon as you select debit card, what it will do is on the next page, you get an option of account identification. So it will ask you to enter username. Then you have to enter registered mobile number, enter the captcha, and then proceed. Now, if you don't know your username, I have already made a dedicated video on that how can you get your username for SBI Net Banking. You can check out that video. The link is in description. So as you all can see, I have entered the details. Let's tap on proceed option. Now you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. You have to enter the OTP and proceed. So I have entered the OTP. Let's tap on proceed. Now, once you submit the OTP, after that, it will ask you to enter last 6 digit of your debit card. So you have to enter the number over here. And after that, you have to enter ATM pin, and then you have to proceed. So I have entered the details. Let's tap on proceed. And now you can see we are on the last page where it is giving an option to set new password. So you have to create new password. You have to enter the new password once again. Don't forget to check this box. And after that, you have to proceed once again. So I have entered the new password. Let's check this box, and now let's tap on proceed. And now you can see it is saying congratulations, you have successfully changed password for Yono Web. So in order to complete your login process, you can select login to account option. You can enter your username, enter the new password, enter captcha, and complete the login process. Let me show you very quickly. So once the login is complete, this is how the SBI Net Banking interface will look like. So yes, this is how simple it is to reset SBI Net Banking password if you don't remember it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.